Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your resume public on the Indeed job search application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Indeed application on your device, and once it is opened up, you will see the login button at the top right corner, which you can click on and then use your credentials in order to log in to your account. Now, once you have been logged in, you will be taken into your home page, from which, if you wish to make your resume or your CV public and searchable on the internet, then tap on the Job Seeker drop-down menu and you will see the resume option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will be able to see the resume that you have added onto your account underneath resume section. Now, if underneath your CV the eye icon is disabled and it says unsearchable, then tap on the three dots at the right side and then you will see the change privacy option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now if non-searchable is selected, then make sure to choose the first option which says searchable on Indeed. You can also tap on the preview searchable resume option, and this will show you what your resume will look like to other user. After choosing your desired option to make your resume searchable, tap on the save button and you will see that the eye icon has appeared and it now says searchable, which means anyone that is trying to find your CV will be able to look at your CV and qualifications in order to decide whether you are the right candidate for the job. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to make your resume public on the Indeed application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.